Hi guys, it's time for independent work. That means that you will work in your book because I will assign you some exercises to do. Remember that you need to work in order, clean and neat. And your handwriting has to be legible. That means that has to be easy to read or easy to understand. Where are you going to work is on page 131, that is the problem set. You will solve exercises 1 to 5. And when you finish working, you are going to send me a picture through Google Classroom. If the space that you have, the room that you have is not enough, you can work in your notebook. But you have to number each exercise in order to know which is each one. So please, if you feel more comfortable working in your notebook, it's fine, no problem. But you have to be working neatly, okay, and legible. After you finish, you have to send me a picture through Google Classroom. If by any chance you cannot send it by Google Classroom, please send a picture via WhatsApp to Miss Onelia, okay? Bye-bye. Have fun.